Okay, so now that we have our cards set up, we can go ahead and create our dashboard. So you go in the top right, hit Design Dashboard, and then click on Design Dashboard again, and that's going to take your sheet and make it a dashboard. So these cards, I'm only going to use these two cards. I'm going to move up essentially my summary number above the other graph, and then adjust the sizes. And then you can see that we have essentially our card title as the collection header there, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the title off of the actual cards, so that way it cleans up the visual a little bit. So you just click on Edit Content and Display Settings, take the title off, and that makes it look a little crisper. So once that's all done, you hit Save, and you've got your dashboard ready to be shared. And one of the things I really like about the dashboards is that you can share them via PDF or PowerPoint very easily, and they export very nicely that way. So I'm going to show you both the PDF and the PowerPoint here. So you just hit that wrench menu and hit Export as PDF or Export as PowerPoint, either way. So here's the PowerPoint. It gives you the title slide, and then if you scroll down, it'll give you, the image that you're looking for. So it's a very clean, crisp dashboard image there, and really easy to share. It looks really nice. PowerPoint does the same thing. It takes that image and exports it to a PowerPoint slide for you that you can share in your presentations. The other thing I like about dashboards is that you can send them in an email very nicely, so you can schedule it as a report. And to show you what that looks like, I'm just going to go ahead and hit Send Now, and that's going to send an email to me of this report. And here's my email, and you can see that the entire card shows up. It's not clipped or just showing a summary number. It shows the whole graph. So I really like using storyboards or dashboards to share data this way. Hopefully you learned something. Let me know if you have any questions.